What's up guys, Normal Guy 30. I'm doing part 10 of the Walking Dead series. Last I was playing, I had gone into the back area of the barn, found a big area, and Mark had his legs chopped off. So let's continue.
You can't keep us in here! Open up! I will tear you fuckers apart with my bare hand! You gotta find another way out of here! You fucking bastard! Open this door, goddammit! I will knock the goddamn door down!
It was a person. They tried to make us eat a person.
But you didn't do it.
No.
The rest of us did, goddammit! If you hadn't dragged your feet!
Come on, Dad. Now's not the time.
You okay, Clementine? Hey, it didn't hurt you, did they?
Oh, man, no! These little psychos have my family, and we're stuck in a damn meat locker. We gotta get the fuck out of here! This goddamn dumb sucker was the one who brought us here! You all just shut the fuck up?
I'm scared.
Don't be. It's gonna be okay. I'm gonna find us a way out of here.
Yo, where's the little blocker?
Dad, please. Please settle.
I'll break that damn door down.
Dad, you can't go.
Easy.
Dad?
Oh no.
No. Dad, come on. Dad! God, he stopped breathing. I think he's had a heart attack.
Is he dead?
He's not dead. Somebody help me.
If he's dead,
He's not dead.
It has to happen. Think about it. You saw that poor bastard in the motel?
not a nasty term.
What do you say?
I'm sorry. I truly am.
In a few minutes, we'll be stuck in a locker room with 6'4", 300-pound, seriously pissed off dead guy.
Fuck you. We can bring him back. Please.
More than later. But right now, we have to keep him from coming back.
No. God damn it, Kenny. He's not dead.
Libby can still save him. I wish she could. Believe me, I do. But that man is dead. You both know what happens next.
Look, Kenny, back at the drugstore when we all thought Duck was bitten, I gave him the benefit of the doubt. Maybe we should do the same now.
Different. Duck wasn't bitten. Now, come on. We know this guy's not going to make it. Remember what Ben said. You got to destroy the brain. Come on, Lee. I'm right about this. I know you've got my back. You always do.
God damn it, Lee. I need you. Please help me. Come on, Dad. Come on.
Let's get this
You
over.
fucking monsters! Both of you! I don't want to see! Go, go, go! Get off me! Don't do this! No! No, no, no! Let go of me! No! Please!
I'm sorry.
Don't you fucking touch me!
Clem. You okay?
Why, Lee? Lily said he wasn't dead.
He was dead, Clementine.
But what if he wasn't?
He was, I promise. I know. But you gotta be strong right now. I need you to be strong. Think about something else, something hopeful.
Like what?
Someplace safe where no monsters can get you.
We're gonna get out, right? We found a way out?
I'm working on it. ought to be an air duct behind this unit. Maybe big enough for one of us to fit through.
I don't know, Lee. Seems like a long shot.
Does the air conditioner come off?
I think I could take it off if I had something to remove the screws. Multi-tool. Of course not. Shit.
Maybe there's something else we could use. I've got a rock.
Rock won't help. Do you have a coin?
Get away.
I just need it.
I told you to get the fuck away!
Lily, I'm sorry.
Don't talk to me. Don't fucking talk to me.
I know you hate Gideon. Me too. But he did what he had to, so we can all go on living.
For what? He's got his family, and you've got Clementine. I've got nothing. You left me with nothing.
I think I may have found a way out of here. I need something to remove the screws of the air conditioner. If you had something I could use as a screwdriver, coin or something.
No.
What about him? Look, I know this is a terrible time. Back in the motorway, Larry mentioned something about keeping coins in his pockets.
In other words, my father's more useful when he's dead than alive.
If he was alive and had the key to getting us out of here, do you think he'd keep it to himself?
What do you want? My blessing to loot his corpse?
Your permission.
Do what you have to do.
Any idea which pocket he keeps his change in?
You fucking vulture! My mother's.
Don't worry. I'm not taking it. Here we go. 2 quarters. And a dime. Just move these screws and get this unit off.
You got it?
Yeah. One more should do it.
That's our way out, Lee.
Clementine can fit through.
Looks like he'll probably lead right into that back room.
Think you can do this?
I'm scared.
It's okay to be scared.
We need you, Clementine.
Okay.
You're gonna be fine.
What do I do when I get out?
See if you can get to the other side of that door and open it.
alone, Lee. I can see him.
It's not safe in here.
For God's sake, Lee. Didn't even get to say goodbye.
Get in here. Got an idea. That dumbass is so caught up in his own rant that we could probably sneak right up on him. Just stick behind me in case anything goes down. When we get to the front, grab his gun. Okay, you ready? Stay close. Outside the bar. Shit. Just going to the place after the same. They can just walk right out. Where's my family, asshole? You can't have them. We need the van. No! Hey! Please, come on! I will be far behind. You see? You understand that, don't you? You can have me. It's how the world works now. Get smart of yourself. The others can live.
That's why you killed that woman in the woods. She was about to spill everything.
You weren't ready to hear you, see? You gotta keep me alive. If you kill me, the meat gets tainted. You can't eat it.
You're already tainted.
You ain't gonna kill me. Just like you didn't kill Jolene. You don't have what it takes. Fucking coward.
Not how the world works now. You won't make me kill you.
Fuck you, Steve. You tell you murder my dad would leave this piece of shit alive?
Second movie had an invisible gun.
Please, no! there?
Two left.
Where?
Mary said they chopped off Mark's legs and tried to feed them to us.
Shit. Is everyone else okay?
They still got Duck and Cock in the house. Where the fuck Kitty is?
All right, we're coming in to help.
The main gate is too dangerous. Go around the fence and see if there's a back way in. I'll keep looking for Kitty. Do you have a weapon?
I don't need help without it. Let's be close. Ellie, be careful.
Danny, is that you? What's going on out there?
I left Danny in the bar. Got what he deserved.
Please, back! Don't come in here.
I'm going in there. Sorry.
Go with her. Come on now, you don't know what to do here. Think about what you do. It doesn't have to end like this.
I'll kill her, Lee. Just let me go.
Is that Mark the Third?
Stay back! Don't do anything stupid.
Mark the Zombie.
Please, just do it.
Mark's up there. He's ready to get ya.
I don't want to kill you.
Please don't make this any worse.
Just stop.
Hi, Brenda.
That ain't gonna happen.
Oh, shoot.
Go, shut up.
Hey! Who the fuck do you think you are? Look at what you did! Brought this on yourself. No, I'm on you. Oh, we gonna do it. Okay. Myself, hey.
I'm taking you down with me, Crabhead. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. No, you're not getting any close to that thing. No, you're not. No. Please. Okay. No.
Ellie, help!
That's it. You're going down.
You ain't shit. It's over. Fuck you. Judith, stand and mama, get out here. Judith, you fuck. We're so sad. Dude, what the fuck did you do? Don't you dare walk away from me, Lee! Get back here and finish this, Lee! Get back here and fight me like a man, Lee! Lee!
All coming in now because that's his mama and his brother.
Hey, Lee, I'd say I'm sorry for leaving the motel unattended, but, you know.
Glad you showed up when you did. If you hadn't taken that shot at Eddie, you might not have gotten out of there.
Were they really killing people for food?
Yeah, and Clementine almost ate some.
But
I stopped her. I can't leave her alone, Carly. This fucking world now. It's hiding just unspeakable shit at every turn.
Katja managed to grab this while she was in the house. She said it was with your stuff.
Yeah, I found it while I was looking for the people who shot Mark. Do you want it?
Why don't you keep it? Sometimes it helps to have something you can document your thoughts on. How are you doing?
I'll be fine. Just not as young as I used to be. Hon, go on ahead and give me and Lee a second. There's gonna be fallout.
For killing Lily's dad? Yeah, I would imagine so.
What do you think?
I'm with you, Kenny. We'll do what has to be done.
You're damn right. Listen, that RV back at the motor inn is just about ready. I've changed my mind. I want you to come with us when we leave.
Yeah?
Hell yeah. We're a team, man, me and you. By taking out Larry before he turned, you saved all of us in that meat locker. And that saved my family, too. Yeah, I'd say you earned it.
Come on, Clementine. Stay close.
Lee, are those bad people dead?
Yes, Walker's probably got them. They were very bad people, and they were punished for it.
Okay. Hey, Dad, what's that noise?
Sounds like a car. Oh, God. No more strangers.
Don't shoot. We're here to help.
Okay.
Business.
Oh, crap. Baby, you gotta see this. There's a shitload of food and supplies back here.
This food could save all of us. Not all of us.
Look, you don't know if these people are dead.
If they come back, then we're just monsters who came out of the woods and ruined their lives.
This stuff isn't ours. Dad, whose car is this?
Don't worry about that, Duck. It's ours now.
It's abandoned, Buffy. Don't worry.
What if it's not? What if it's not abandoned? What if it is someone's?
You're right. We shouldn't take this.
What? Did you get some meal back there the rest of us missed out on? We have to take this stuff.
Clementine and I don't want any part of this.
We're starving.
Suit yourself.
The rest of us are taking this stuff. Okay, what have we got in here? Look, there's more food in that.
Well, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and post a comment what you guys want me to do next. I'll talk to you guys later. Normal Guy 830 out.